questioning there. First team of the CBI SIT led by SP. Led by SP will question Rhea Chakravarti. She will be confronted with statements who have stayed in Sushant's house about how her stay with Sushant in a resort in Mumbai. Of course, the second team there will be grilling Neeraj, Siddharth Pitani and Samuel Miranda. Questioning will be done by one team, and the third team to continue questioning Shouvik, Rhea Chakravarti's family members. Rhea's confrontation with any other suspect or witness unlikely. Let's quickly cut across to Vidya joining us. Vidya, take us through the three teams that the CBI is formed to interrogate every angle and aspect of this case here. Three CBI teams leading the questioning. Take us through each of their team, what they're dedicated to, what kind of questioning will they be posing to Rhea and the other flatmates and her family members.
One team is definitely looking at Rhea Chakravarti and her interrogation. Remember, it's happening right here. And the second team is the one which is interrogating Neeraj and, Siddharth Pitani, who have gone in before Rhea Chakravarti. And both of them would be put across to each other before they can actually begin any round of questioning with Rhea along with others. So these two teams are involved in interrogating. There's also a third team which is trying to dig out the medical aspect. Remember, they have been making a lot of visits to the Cooper Hospital. They have also visited the Arogya Bhavan to get details from the higher-ups who the Cooper Hospital people report to. So obviously, getting details from the Cooper Hospital is very essential because, as you know, that there is no body that the CBI can examine. It has already been exhumed. The cremation has been done. So what remains is from the post-mortem report itself from the Cooper Hospital, where the basic details of this entire case will be out. The post-mortem, the viscera report, those are the ones which can give any lead whether, Sushant was consuming drugs, whether Sushant was poisoned, whatever be the case, all that has to come out from the post-mortem report itself. And the doctors who have conducted the post-mortem, those 5 doctors will have to be questioned. So all that the other third team of the CBI is doing. So there are 3 teams. There are, all these aspects that the CBI has been looking into. Remember, even when last few days we had seen Siddharth Pitani, Neeraj and others being questioned right here, there was one team that used to go out and, speak to the doctors there at Cooper Hospital. The same will be done today as well. So there are various teams, and now there is also another coordination that has to be done with the NCB, because remember, even they need to interrogate the people who are being investigated right now here, right at this moment. So their coordination has to be done so that no one really is left out. The ED is also questioning. Remember, ED was speaking to Rhea's father yesterday. He needed to go out, and that's one of the reasons why Rhea's father had to be given protection by Mumbai police to just enter his own car so that he could go all the way to the ED office and report to them as they had summoned him with the documents. So all that is again happening. So CBI itself has also found many teams. They are interrogating all the people here, and so is the other agencies which are also preparing their best so that they can, come out with the truth in this number of days that they will take.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.